It includes oral production, oral comprehension, written production, written comprehension, to form a competency. It is evaluated on 12-level scale. First 4 levels for basic competency. Next 4 levels for intermediate competency. And last 4 levels for advanced competency. To develop basic competency, 500 hours is allocated by Québec Francisation program, including for level 1, 50 hours. For level 2, 100 hours. For level 3, 150 hours. For level 4, 200 hours.
Production orale.
To tell basic information about yourself.
Compréhension orale.
To understand a simple introduction.
Production écrite.
To fill out a simple form.
Compréhension écrite.
To understand what information is required to fill out a form.
Production orale.
To ask simple questions, to describe a daily routine.
Compréhension orale.
To understand and react to provided information.
Production écrite.
To write a wish card, a check.
Compréhension écrite.
To understand printed promotions, weather forecast.